y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Karla. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today's video is going to be a quick clean with me. This is actually after lunch. This was Labor Day. My parents had just left. They went back to Atlanta. They came to stay with us for the weekend, and we all know when we have guests, cleaning takes a back seat. So I decided to go ahead and clean up right after they left. This kitchen was a mess. We had just had lunch and there was like food everywhere on the cabinets. I don't even know how that happened, but I decided to go ahead and clean the kitchen, the dining area, and the living area just to make sure that it gets a good wipe down from all the foot traffic we had this weekend. Plus, we still had all that red clay from our septic tank issue outside, and there were a lot of dirty feet coming in and out. So I decided it's best to go ahead and stay upstairs and clean up before our week ahead. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get right into the cleaning.
Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything was complete.
Okay guys, I have not used this Swiffer in a while. I decided to go ahead and use it. I didn't want to pull out my other mop out just because this wasn't a really, it wasn't a deep clean with me. I just wanted to kind of just wipe down the floors really quick, and oh my gosh, look how disgusting this was, you guys. It was super gross. I could not believe it. So that is why I wanted to go ahead and mop and clean in here, because I knew with all the foot traffic we had this weekend, the floors were just a nasty mess.
I would, 'cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me.
All right, you guys, these room sprays are amazing. They're a little pricey. I got these at Target. Well, I say these, but I got this one, peony, and then I got the basil scent for $5.99 each. Oh my gosh, they smell amazing, but they are a little pricey, like I said, but I cannot wait until their fall scents come out. I am super excited. Right now, the Grove Collaborative website says they're out of stock, so hopefully they'll get some in pretty soon because I just love my fall smells, the cinnamon, vanilla, or the pumpkin spice or the apple cider. I just love those scents. But that is it for this video, you guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lie. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be